How to delete My AI on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete My AI on Snapchat. As you know, My AI is the latest feature brought out on Snapchat and it's basically forced on to everyone, so you can't remove it. However, there are a couple of ways that you can try. The first one is you can uninstall the app and reinstall it back. Now once you do it, it might remove the feature for you. However, if this doesn't help, what you can do is if you open up Snapchat app, you'll get an interface like this. Head into your chat. Now on the chat at the very top, you'll find My AI. Simply tap and hold on the chat here, and on the chat settings, you can see the chat settings option. Head on to chat settings, and here you'll find the option message notification. Make sure it's disabled. Now once you disable it, you won't be getting any notification from My AI. And the other thing you want to make sure is don't interact with it. Now if you don't interact with Snapchat AI, it won't interact back with you on its own, so you might want to avoid interacting with it. So this way you can avoid AI on Snapchat, but you can't delete it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.